Safia. I am from grade 3. A very pleasant morning to everyone. Significant chance of the International Day of the topic. Today we observe the International Day of the topics. Topical regions are the warm areas of the earth located near the equator, animals and forests. They provide food, water and clean air of the people around the world. They reminds us to protect nature and care for our environment.